All right, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to be talking about how to get into day trading and specifically TradingView and how to get started using TradingView and what all you can do on with it. So the first thing you want to do is go to tradingview.com. It'll take you here. You're going to want to hit get started. You can sign up for a free account, sign in with Google. Oops. Just create an account. So first thing you want to do is create an account. And then go in here, hit products, and then the super chart. That's the main chart you'll be looking at. So we can see here we have this chart. So this is a chart, and we can use this to start day trading with. So the first thing you do when you're first starting out with day trading is you want to pick your excuse me. The first thing you do when you start day trading is you want to pick the pairs or indexes or forex pairs you're going to trade with. So what I use to trade is the S&P and NASDAQ. So anything else really you do not want um, available to you to look at because if you're not going to be trading it, you don't need to look at it. It's just another thing to distract you from focusing on what you need to focus on. So the first thing you want to do is go in here uh, to your watch list and search for whatever one you want. So if you want the S&P, just go to futures, ES, or however one you want to do it. But search for yours and delete all the other ones because you only need to focus on the one or two you're trading with. Next thing you want to do is when you're just starting out, you want to create a paper trading account or a demo account. So you go down here, you hit trading panel, and then you can scroll down here. Got a bunch of different brokers you can eventually use. But we're going to start out with paper trading. So you can just hit paper trading, hit connect, and then boom, it creates an account for you. And then you could always go in here, reset the account, take away some balance or add some balance, or change your currency if you're in a different location. But now we have $1 million of fake money to trade with. So we can go in here, and then if we see an entry, we can just go in and hit buy. And then units, limit orders, market orders, stop orders. We could take profit stop losses here, and then we could hit buy. It won't work because um, market's not in session this weekend. So let's go to just um, Bitcoin just to show you how it works. So we can go in here, we go buy, and then you can see we get this line here, and you can drag your take profit to where you want it to be and your stop loss to where you want it to be, and then hit buy. And there's a limit order there now, so we can move that limit down um, to that price, where that price is, and then eventually, once that price gets hit, um, so we'll do a market order. We can do that. You see it sends an order. Uh, you can't trade futures, but it would still, you do this, you set your take profit, your stop loss, and then you hit buy, and it'll fill that order and fill it on the paper trading account, so you're not actually going to be losing any money. And another nice thing about TradingView is along with all these charts and all the different indexes you could view on here, um, most of the prop firms that you're going to use is able to have Trade Locker as one of their dashboards, and then Trade Locker is pretty much TradingView. And so once you get comfortable with this on here with your paper trading account, it's not like you have to go learn a whole new thing when you join a prop firm. You can just learn this and keep it with you through your whole journey in day trading. And another thing you can do on here is replay. So you can back test. So we can set up this bar. You do need to pay if you want to go more than a day, I think. Let me see here. Um, But a nice thing you can do, yeah, I can't because I don't pay for this right now. But you can do back testing on here, or you can just go back to the day. See, these same tools are like I have in my other videos on Trade Locker. You can set market open or whatever, and then you can draw your liquidity levels out, um, draw your position, um, anything you want. You got gam boxes for equilibrium or anything. I mean, it's the same setup as I have when I'm trading on Trade Locker, which is what I like about it. Everybody uses TradingView to trade, and it's just the number one and the best trading charting platform, I guess I should say. And if you're into indicators, you can go up here, search whatever you want, moving averages, um, this one, and then you can go in here, change all these settings around, however you want to do this. Um, there's plenty of things to play with here. I don't use indicators or anything like that, so I don't really play around with them. You can change your candles. Here we have bar candles, normal candles, uh, all types of candles. These things are kind of cool, but some of them you have to pay extra for. But I like the normal candles. And then that's pretty much it. I mean, it's pretty simple. You just kind of got to play around with it and learn different things. And another thing you can do is set alerts. So if you want an alert when Bitcoin's price passes 105,000 or something, it sets an alert here. And if you set that up to your phone, you can get a notification on there. Or if not, you'll just get an email. Um, if you want to, if you're swing trading or weekly trading, however, and you want to take profit on when it hits 105 or something like that. Um, but yeah, it's pretty simple. You can search all your pairs, symbols, indexes, whatever you want. Um, it's got everything on there from Pepe all the way up to the S&P 500 and then and Nasdaq. Um, there's not really any special settings that make you profitable or make you a better trader or not. It's just um, the main thing is paper trading and demo trading and making sure you have a decent strategy and you've practiced that strategy and you start stuck to that strategy. Um, and you're able to do that on here with the paper trading account. There's some you can change your chart lines, alert lines, stuff like that right there. You can see sometimes they have news. Yeah, you can turn on news notifications, and I think along with the charting platform here, if we go back to TradingView Home, we can go to news, and this has recent news, and I think there's a way to get an economic calendar on here too. It's not as good as the one I use, gomoon, but it's still pretty good. Just it's a nice program. It has everything all wrapped into one, which is nice, and it's very helpful to get started. I wish somebody made something like this just to, even though it seems pretty simple, it is kind of a daunting task of, oh, there's so many buttons, which ones do I press? Um, but really, the main thing you do is create an account, go into Superchart, you have all your tools here, your lines, your um, everything, your fib retracement, your gam box, your position size, positions, price ranges, text, pencils, brushes, measuring, anything you'll ever need, along with this paper trading account. So you can get used to it. You can practice trading with this paper trading account, which is really nice. And then maybe eventually, if you have enough starting capital, you can join one of these other brokers and just trade right here on TradingView. and just keep it all in house. But like I said, pretty much all prop firm, excuse me, pretty much all prop firms use TradeLocker or TradingView, some knockoff or whatever, but it's all the same system. And so once you learn how to do this, you can keep doing it throughout your whole journey. So yeah, I just want to make that quick video on how to use TradingView, how to get started with it. Hope it helped. I wish somebody had that. I wish that video was around when I started. So figured I'd make it to help you guys out. Thanks.